Man, by the time I get the GoPro, by the time I get the DJI Action 3 on, I could get my light on. And that's where I am. I'm in a low-level situation shot once again. Now, welcome to the DJI Action 3. Yeah, it's a vlogging bicycle. I always hold my camera in hand and I get a nice smooth shot. I hold it with my arms bent, as you can see, like this, and I hold it about 2 feet from me by the handlebars. You want to go take some measurements? You can do so. A minute's video doesn't get quick capture to work first thing in the morning. So this is my second shot, and it's going to be talking until the quick capture gets going. Well, that's what, 15-20 seconds? I can shut it down now. The third one gets quick capture on. How come I'm the only one complaining about quick capture and how it starts? I don't know. I guess I care way too much than all of you. Post down below if you're having quick capture issues on the very first try of your camera. And the answer will be yes. The second shot, maybe no. But on the third try, it will work. I still can't go immediate with recording and talk, because if I do, then I gotta have the camera on mode on. And that's the only way I can get my voice audible with the external mic to work. Now I'm with priority enabled. Yes, indeed. That's gonna take the motion blur out. But also I would have to shut off electronic image stabilization. But I'm supposed to have what? The better sensor overall on an action camera? I don't know if that is a gimmick or not. I feel it's a gimmick in a way, but I'm on no image stabilization at all, and I'm holding it the best I can. So how do you like the scene shots I present to you? I'm back to priority enabled with rock steady only. Oh yeah, it makes my video look darker. On this nice overcast sunrise day. You got the neon lights on top and the back and inside of blue. And 3 of them are not working properly on top. That is a warmer Kelvin. The beauty of this shot, I see out of the camera and what I have set up, are the ducks on a sunrise. No light on the subject, while the camera shows a ton of light on the left-hand side. I see a green plus on the camera on live feed. Now it's not. And all the videos prior were shot with wide field of view. I'm more of a person of linear. So I switched off of wide to linear and also shut down the priority enabled of low light. Listen carefully through the external mic, the Alloratech. You may hear the ducks quack. I got the Action 3 to crash my Magix Movie Edit Pro 2021 again and again. Well, I went out and I did a vlog, a nice long talk, 15 minutes, somewhere in there about 2 minutes, 133, 140. I grabbed that file, got rid of it, and I still crashed. Now, do you crash with the Action 3 on editing, or is it just good old me? I'm in the spotlight. I want to get this spotlight going a little brighter. So I'm going to put it on both. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get myself in the spotlight. I'm shining nice and bright on a 1/2-inch sensor action camera. Am I doing action? Oh yeah, I'm doing some slow motion action for you, man. I'm moving so fast and talking so slow. Are you looking to get a DJI Action 3 by DJI? Yes, indeed. We can all check out two people that are doing great jobs. One is Steve WB, and the other one is my gig user. Now, one bought it from DJI and got a replacement and a perfect working camera, so to speak. And the other one finally went to a Best Buy. Maybe an Amazon would have been the better place. But at least Best Buy, he has up to January 14th. If any way, form, not happy, can return. Now, the YIM, the YIM of my gig camera is 1014. Last month. Why last month when it should be on my gig user's camera? He's got 1022, 2022 that is. And Steve WB, I don't know what month and year he has. But you could check them out, see how they're doing with their cameras, and check other people's videos out. You're going to find a lot of people with focus issues, and the people that don't complain just won't say anything. I just hate the shutter button and the mode on button. It is like no give at all. I feel like popping that sucker open and finding out if it's a button that you're pressing or just something they forgot to put in. Put a little cushion. No cushion, no give. I thought I'd be able to use this as my review camera inside, and I won't be able to. I'm happy I got my camera because I didn't pay $329.99. I paid under $100. And I can't complain for under $100, right? Not at all. But I am looking for my primary camera, and it's going to have to be over $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. I don't want to spend $5,000 for something that is not going to be used to its full potential. You never know with the GoPro. You know how I get those, I shut the camera down and it just comes on the next time. I shut it down, 8 seconds later it comes on. Well, DJI, you're becoming like a GoPro right now. When I hit the stop button, you started to continue to record because of that hard shutter button. I guess I'm going to have to start to use voice command. That'll solve the issue. Or use the smartphone, and that'll stop the issue. Well, I'm Fish, and I thank you very much for joining me. And I gave a little talk. I did my little vlog. I had a nice bike ride on this nice warm day. Now I gotta get to work, get things done. Go have a little cup of joe and some breakfast. And on that note, I see you on the next video.